What is up, Harveys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 products that I use to cleanse my scalp while I'm wearing protective styles. So if this is something that you are interested in, stay tuned. The first one I'm going to show you, which is my oldie but goldie. This is the one that I've used most of the time, is this Organic Root Stimulator Dry Shampoo. And this one is great if you have like an itchy scalp, like you have your styles and you're itching like crazy but you don't want to wash your hair. This is great because it gives you this really nice tingly feeling inside. This is how it looks up close. Okay, so this one I pretty much just apply it to my scalp, and then I go ahead and I take a washcloth and then I just wipe it off, and that's it. Now this one is another one that I have been using, and it's called Envy Scalp Revitalizer. And this is kind of similar to Sea Breeze. If you ever heard anybody saying that they cleaning their scalp with Sea Breeze, this is kind of similar to this, but it's different because this one has rose water, peppermint, eucalyptus, aloe, witch hazel, all natural tonic, and this one also has a tingly feeling. So today I'm going to be using this one, and I'm also going to be moisturizing my scalp just to make sure that it's nice and moisturized, because if you having itch problems with your protective style, a lot of the time is because your scalp is dry, so you want to go ahead and keep it moisturized. But first we're going to cleanse the scalp, so you're going to need some cotton balls. And I'm going to show you how I'm using this. I just put some on the cotton ball and I just go through my scalp, and I try to focus on the areas that I know is like probably the first area to start itching, or the first area to it feels like a shampoo. It feels so good. So I'm just going to take another cotton ball, and every time you take some, you use a new cotton ball. So that's it. That's all you have to do for this one. That's all you have to do. And then I'm going to be using my Indian hemp Blue Magic, and I'm just going to make sure I moisturize my scalp. So this is how I cleanse my scalp, and if my hair starts to feel dirty or itchy, and I really don't want to wash it, this is what I do. So I just go ahead and cleanse my scalp, and then I apply my Blue Magic or whatever moisturizer you have. I am so loving my hair at the moment. It's looking so pretty. Okay, if you didn't see my hair tutorial for these braids, go ahead and check out my hair tutorial. I'm gonna leave a link to that in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And also, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, because I have a lot more awesomeness to come. So stay tuned for that. But yeah,
I am loving my braids. Like, I love how full they look. That is awesome. Okay, bye.